Jolly Darling Travel. Come with me today as we tour the Art of Animation. This is a value resort at Walt Disney World, and this resort is pretty unique because it has mostly family suites. I was able to tour the Cars family suite during this trip, so you're going to be able to see that room. Plus, we're going to go check out the Skyliner and so much more, so stick around. After just a short walk from the main building, we turned right and kept straight on till Radiator Springs. This is a highly immersive section of this resort. You are going to spot the Cozy Cone Motel, and right behind there, there's going to be a Cozy Cone pool. And now we're going to check out the rooms. So Tomater's there. Hello, Tomater. We're going to pass him, head into the building. This is a Cars family suite. Sleeps up to 6 people. So that, obviously, that table pulls down to a Murphy bed. You're going to go into the main living area, which you will have a television, some storage underneath the television, a full kitchenette. That sofa pulls into a sleeper sofa, which is pretty convenient because living room by day, sleeper sofa by night. Or if you don't need that sleeper sofa, it can just stay sitting as a sofa. It's pretty convenient. Now we're going to head over to the right, and this is going to be basically a private room with its own door. You're going to have a television. You're going to have your own full bathroom. This is perfect for parents traveling with kids that still need a little separation, or even if you're friends traveling together and you need your own sleeping quarters. You will have 2 bathrooms, so you're kind of going to feel like you have a little more space versus a regular suite. I just really love this room. Everywhere you turned, there was a nod to the movie, and you will not miss that Disney feeling at this resort. You are fully immersed in the Disney animation world, and I absolutely loved it. So check this room out again, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I personally think that this food court is one of the best food courts on Disney property for a value resort. There's something for everyone in here, and I don't know, there's just lots of room to sit around and relax. And then look at the size of this store. This is a super sized gift shop. You are definitely not going to go home without a souvenir in this gift shop. I personally love this resort. I feel like this is the perfect option for families on a budget, friends traveling together, anyone looking for that Disney flair. Now, you will have bus access to all 4 parks to the right. And friends, this has been so much fun. Message me at Jolly Darling Travel if you have any travel questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.